It's that time of year. We got to get out back. We got to clean the barbecue. We got to make sure that charcoal grill is looking shiny and beautiful and ready for the grilling season. As you can see here, guys, my grill grate's looking beautiful. This thing is shining and looking spectacular. I'm going to walk you through everything I did to get it looking this fresh and clean. You know what's up. Hit those buttons, like and subscribe. It's your boy, Saucy Rossi. So my charcoal grill, it was looking pretty dirty. It's by Napoleon, and I love this thing. And I want to make sure that I give it the best life possible. Opening it up, you can see I got dirty grill grates. I got charcoal still in the bottom. The bottom of the lid is all dirty. We got a few things we got to take care of here. You can even see my grill grate is looking pretty dank. All right, let's start off. We're just going to inspect the bottom, see what's going on. I got some charcoal left behind. It's pretty dank, totally used, so that's going to go to dust. We got some grease over on this side, so we're going to need a degreaser. Then, like I said earlier, up on the bottom of the lid, we got lots of little crap there we're going to have to deal with. So let's throw our grill grate back in and grab our brush. I use this brush by Boyer. I've had it for a few years. It's pretty great. You can see there, it's got those metal little clips. They're real intense, and you can just run it in between the grill grates and it will scrape out absolutely everything. I mean, just watch. Doesn't that thing rock? It's just ripping through all that gunk right there. And you're just going to do the entire grill grate. That's going to be real important here. Take your time, get every little nook, cranny, and crevice. That's super important, guys. We want to get all that crap off the grill, inside of the grill. Let it fall down into here. Then I have black gloves on, so I go straight in with my hands. If you don't have black gloves, just use a brush like this, and you can just make sure to get all that crap down into the very, very bottom. Now, if you don't have a charcoal grill that's like me with the bottom expansion piece, I just say maybe tip over the grill into your dust bucket. But that's what happens when you own one of those Webers. Anyway, after getting all the charcoal out of it, I throw back in the bottom grate, and then I go in with some heavy-duty grill cleaner by Kingsford. This is not a sponsored video. This just works really good. If you read the instructions on the can, you just basically spray it everywhere. We want to coat this grill top to bottom, getting as much of this on as we can. And then you're just going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes. That's how long this takes. As you can see, I've literally soaked this barbecue. It is just looking dank. That degreaser is working its magic. You can see the little bits of yellow in that foam around the handle, underneath the lid, on top of the lid. It's just doing its thing. So about 30 minutes later, we're going to grab a scrub pad, and you're just going to go to town. And as you can see, just by putting a little bit of elbow grease in there, you're going to make sure this thing's looking spectacular and new. I'm pretty stoked about how this is turning out already. You can see that degreaser is loosening all that crap. There's so much gunk just coming off. No issue at all. I mean, that's what a degreaser really does at the end of the day. It degreases. But guys, your barbecue is looking dank. I don't know if you've gone and looked at it recently. I mean, spring is here. Take the cover off, take a look, and just kind of realize, dude, you got to clean that thing. Grease fires are not funny. I don't clown around with them. I've had to deal with some serious grease fires in my time, whether it was myself or other enthusiasts causing the grease fire. I'm just saying, you got to be careful. And keeping your grill nice and clean like this is the perfect way to make sure you're not grilling dangerously. I mean, as you can see here, guys, it's looking spectacular. You can see me clear as day in that reflection. Pretty slick. I haven't seen my barbecue look this hunky handsome in a while. Guys, holy cow. That grill grate was cleaned off beautifully as well. At this point, I like to put just a little bit of like butter or something sprayed onto there, kick it up a notch, up to about 400 or 500 degrees, re-season that grill grate, and your barbecue is ready to go for the season. Look, it's not difficult, guys. Buy yourself a can, put in a little bit of elbow grease, get yourself out in the backyard and get things ready. Thanks again for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.